Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Zoom and SSO settings, detailed guide step. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoom website. Log in to your Zoom account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the admin section on the left sidebar. Click on Account Management and then select Account Settings. Look for the SSO or Single Sign-On Settings tab on the page. Make sure the SSO feature is enabled by toggling the switch if necessary. In the SSO settings section, you will see fields for your SSO URL and identifier. Enter your organization's SSO URL in the designated field. Input your organization's identifier, which is typically provided by your IT admin. Next, confirm your configuration by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of the page. To test your SSO setup, go to the Zoom login page. Select the option to log in with SSO, which may be labeled as Sign in with SSO. You will be prompted to enter your company's domain. Type in your organization's domain and click Continue. You should be redirected to your organization's login page. Enter your credentials as prompted. If successful, you will be redirected back to your Zoom account. If you encounter issues, double-check the SSO URL and identifier for accuracy. Consult your IT department if problems persist or if you need further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.